Oh yeah. I was in my place, never wanted to. Always looked inside, never wanted you.
Oh, hello! Welcome to another new day. My name is Mackinzie Day. Today we here in the workshop fixing a drone that drove straight into the ground. Yo, what is up? It is Mackinzie Day, and today is another new day. Yo, you might ask, why am I here? Well, yo, I am getting ready for a festival called Rise. It's actually in a few days, and I have like a few days to prep for everything. One of the major issues that had happened when I was in Costa Rica recently with Isabella Fonte was I took this drone, I changed the down speed on it so I could get like a really excelled drop, and exactly what I thought was gonna happen, it fucking ran straight into the ground. I didn't wreck it. All that happened was the CXS5 gimbal came all the way down in the corner, the little tiny bottom of the piece, kicked back, snapped that whole thing, dangled off this whole deal. So this is what I'm trying to fix. So we have a new Zemnews X5S gimbal. I actually rented this one because I didn't want to buy a new one yet. I actually want the X7 in the lens kit that comes with that thing. But you know, as we all know, drone stuff is very expensive. So is any kind of camera stuff. Got to get that cash to get it back. And then obviously, one of the best things, Amazon Prime. I'm actually an Amazon influencer on my Instagram, and then the link in the YouTube description below. You can go and find a link to all my favorite camera gear, startup kits, lighting kits, little pieces of things that have made my life easier. Here's what we're replacing today. Really exciting. Can't really see it. I'll take it out of the paper. There it is. Check it out. Drone all put together, looking beautiful, crispy new pieces. I haven't turned this thing on in a few months. I'm kind of nervous, to be honest. So this is like that moment of truth thing. Oh, wait 1 second. Oh, that's better. Okay, ready to start today. Roll the intro. Hey! Excuse me. Dude, do you really want to fuck with me right now?
When the truth don't work, you start telling lies. Thought you were down to ride, you weren't down to ride. Switching, you were picking sides.
Yup, here we go, MTV Cribs. Yo, it's Daniel on the track, what up? All the way from LA. Holla. Yo, Road to Rise. Are we gonna do some just like slick B-roll of the room? No, we'll just capture it like this. It's all good. Obviously, have to go shopping, right? That's what we do. We do what we do. Homie ended up wearing sweaters. Though he does look at his fit though. Shit, son. Yo, though we are in Vegas, the desert. Oh shit.
Say what you mean to. I was in my place. I was in the place I know you do like that. I did my soul for you. I gave my soul for you.
phenomenal. Got the Inspire 2 all set up, working, my baby. You guys probably saw that and the recap of me fixing that thing in the first place. So wild. The amount of like preparation and just like how seamless all of this has gone, everything's just been absolutely perfect. This is the most wild thing I've seen. Like, that looks beautiful.
Oh, oh, yeah. Oh, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.